Uncontested divorce in Riverside County, how it works. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. If you and your spouse are in agreement on all the terms of your divorce, like property division, support, and custody, you may qualify for an uncontested divorce in Riverside County. This is the fastest, most affordable way to get divorced in California, and it can all be handled without court appearances or attorneys. Here's how it works. First, you'll file the initial divorce paperwork with the Riverside County Superior Court, the petition, summons, and UCC-JEA form if you have children. After filing, your spouse must be properly served either personally or through a signed notice of acknowledgement and receipt. Once service is complete, both of you will need to exchange financial disclosures. These include the schedule of assets and debts and the income and expense declaration. Even in uncontested cases, these forms are required by law. Next, we'll help you draft a marital settlement agreement that outlines everything you've agreed on, from who keeps what to how support or custody will be handled. Once that's signed, we submit your final judgment package for court review. Riverside County allows e-filing, so this can all be handled remotely. We recently worked with a couple in Riverside who were fully in agreement but didn't know how to prepare the paperwork. They tried to use a low-cost online service but ran into rejections from the court. They came to us frustrated and ready to get it done right. We reviewed everything, corrected the issues, and had their judgment approved within a few weeks. At Divorce 661, we specialize in uncontested divorces throughout California, including Riverside County. We handle every step for a flat fee and make sure your case is processed quickly and correctly. If you're looking for a fast, simple, and affordable way to complete your uncontested divorce, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll take care of everything so you can move forward with peace of mind.